All right, we are still dealing with fog along our coast, taking you to a shot of downtown right now. That fog is certainly thickening up. Fallbrook still clear, and we will see areas of dense fog continue into tomorrow along our coastline. Imperial Beach and Coronado, downtown, those are the areas that are dealing with the worst of the fog. I'll continue to track that as we head through the rest of this evening because it's likely going to get worse in several spots. All right, temperatures are in the 50s up and down our coastline. We don't always see that. Usually Oceanside is at least a little bit warmer, but not right now. Temperatures are in the 60s for the inland neighborhoods, right at 70 in Ocotillo Wells, the warmest spot in the county. So tomorrow is going to be a little bit cooler. We're going to notice a few more high clouds in the mix, and that's going to be the trend into the weekend. These storms passing by to the north of us, they're mainly just going to bring some higher clouds and more marine layer in the overnight and morning hours. Temperatures trending mostly in the mid-60s along the coast tomorrow. Inland neighborhoods, we're going to be mostly in the low to mid-70s tomorrow. Chilly in the morning in the 40s and maybe a few 30s for the cooler spots. By Saturday morning, I do expect to see some of those clouds and fog rolling farther inland. There is only a slight chance for some possible fog for the inland neighborhoods tomorrow morning. It should mostly be confined to the coast. 60s and 70s everywhere in the county tomorrow. And again, away from the coast, that is anywhere from about 10 to 15 degrees above normal. So these are the storms. There's a lot of them. They are just being blocked by this high pressure ridge, just riding along it, staying to the north. And I love this model. I had to show you this. There goes a storm. There goes a storm. There goes a storm. This one, I am tracking the possibility of some rain rolling our way. We're going to be on the tail end of a cold front, so we're not getting the full brunt of it, but it is going to bring us a chance for some rain on Tuesday rather. At this point, it looks like maybe Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening. This is still several days out though, so make sure you stay with the Pinpoint Weather team as we will continue to let you know what that chance for rain looks like. Doesn't look like a whole lot of rain, maybe a few hundredths to a quarter of an inch from the coast to the mountains. This is into Tuesday night. Then it's out of here, heading into Christmas Day, start of Hanukkah. It's going to be really nice. All right, I promised that I would let you know the update on the drought monitor released early this morning. No change for San Diego. We remain abnormally dry, which is not a level of drought, but we certainly could use some rain because we are trending in the wrong direction. High surf will be the story as we head into early next week, starting Sunday, maybe as early as Saturday along the coast, continuing through Tuesday, and then that slight chance for showers. 60s through the extended along our coast. Inland neighborhoods, low 70s this weekend, dropping to the 60s, which is more typical for this time of the year. Winter officially begins on Saturday. We're finally going to be feeling a little bit more like winter as we head into the holidays. For the mountains, beautiful through the weekend in the 60s, fun for all the events happening in Julian this weekend. 50s starting on Tuesday. For the deserts, no rain expected and only a minor dip in temperatures. We're mostly staying in the 70s.